Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Very warm welcome to my vlog series. In this new episode of my vlog, dear viewers, this particular videography has been made regarding the Shandur waterfall. Dear viewers, I have already shared this Shandur waterfall and you can watch it, but this one is fully focused on the closer views of this very beautiful, very amazing, very enchanting Shandur waterfall at Mahodhan, particularly some 15 kilometers ahead of Saifullah Lake of Mahodhan. Dear viewers, if you want to visit this very beautiful looking and very unique looking Shandur waterfall, so if you will reach to Kalam, start your journey right from Kalam. It is entirely a jeepable trek. Don't take risk to visit it through the smaller vehicle or your own car. Try to rent out a 4x4 Jeep, and Land Cruisers are available at Kalam. Take it there and start your journey. After crossing the Ushu forest area, you will be able to reach the Ushu Bazaar and then take the route of Mataltan, which is about 13 kilometers from Kalam, and from here you will go via Palogai village, which is 16 kilometers from Kalam, and the next destination would be the DoorgahValley, Durgah Glacier, which is so popular, and it is some 2 to 3 kilometers from Palogai Valley. Dear viewers, from here further up for about 8 kilometers distance is located this very beautiful, just in front of you, this fabulous waterfall, and previously it was known as the Mataltan Ushu waterfall, in some cases as well Mahodhan waterfall, but very recently it has been explored and entitled as Shandur waterfall. In the previous video which I shared, and this one is totally different from the previous one, and here the main focus is on the closer views of this very unique, very amazing waterfall from different directions and the closer views. Look at the fall, and milky in color, and this is the entire view. Look at this very fabulous, very beautiful, mesmerizing view, and this is the water pool where the fall water is gathering, and from here it is disseminating in two directions. Look at the people, how they are busy in different activities. Some of them are bathing, enjoying, and look at this very wonderful waterfall. The whole scenery is so amazing, very mesmerizing view. So dear viewers, do come here to enjoy this very wonderful waterfall, and from here further up around 15 kilometer is the Saifullah lake of Mahodhan Valley. So dear viewers, do come here and try not to spread here and there the vestment. The area is so peaceful and so illustrious. These waterfalls and the river water is enchanting, the melodic song representing a very beautiful view all the way. You will enjoy. Come here, do visit this wonderful land. Here you will be able to see a lot of waterfalls and lush and green valleys, forest, and a lot of fun over here. Now it's lunch time, and one of our good friend Amanullah Khan has prepared this lunch for us, and now he is distributing among the friends sitting on the mat. And another friend is preparing tea for us after taking lunch. Then we will have a cup of tea. So dear viewers, don't forget subscribing my channel. Thank you. Stay blessed. Bye bye.